Well, hi everybody, Bill here. How are you? Hey, have you ever experienced your machine sliding when you're on concrete or asphalt? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to make a couple of street pads for under $37. Here it is, all completed, and let's work backwards now and show you how I made these. I've seen these online right here for 187 bucks for a pair of them. Well, I thought we could do a little better, so let's go over to our local Harbor Freight. We'll find the rubber wheel chocks. Now you're going to need 4 of them, and I see today they're about $8 a piece. So for 32 tax, you're going to have about 34 bucks in it to purchase 4 of them, but that's what we'll need. So let's take those home and get started. All right, here it is before. The 4 holes were already drilled in there from the factory. That was nice. Then I took a piece of green treated lumber. There's the dimensions. And I held it up there. Now, you'll have to work with me. I didn't get any video of making this. Imagine the tread isn't there. So I held the wood up against the pad, marked the holes, drilled the holes, and I marked the top. Then I took the chocks, and if you had a bandsaw, it would really be nice because you could just saw right through there like that. I used a Sawzall in a vise, and it worked fine. I had to also saw off the top, but right there's the line I want to follow. And then you'll have to saw off the little handle right there where my hand is. And then when you're done, what you'll have is a leftover piece there. There you are. And you'll have that face right there. That's what you're after. If you can get that face off and keep it flat, you'll be fine. Now, it's kind of rough. I cut it off with a Sawzall. So then I had to take a grinder and then grind that smooth a little bit. So just grind it smooth so you can glue it to your 2x product. So remember, this is for one side. So 2 treads for one side, glued them to the board. I put some tractor weights on them and let them dry a couple of days. Then I marked the top, and making reference to the top, I wanted that tread to be perpendicular. I wanted the treads to be to resist skidding across concrete or asphalt. Next, I used a wood bit to drill a large hole to accommodate the head and a washer so I could countersink them. I wanted that metal bolt to be below that rubber face. So just put the hardware in place there, tighten everything down. I used one of those nylon locking nuts, and I've never taken them off. These have been on now a year. I use them in the grass, dirt, and of course asphalt and concrete, and they just work perfect. So I really can't see any reason to take them off. Hey, even though it's a short video, I want to recognize the people that do check in. There's CD and Andrew, Larry, Dan, Todd, Waldo. Stars behind their names mean they've been longtime viewers with me. KR, Dean, Eddie, Mark, Gene, Robert, Bill, and is it Savannah over in Puerto Rico? Thanks, everybody, for checking in. I sure appreciate it. Now, one thing I'm pointing out here is just be aware your tread nut will be a little higher or a little thicker than the original design of that. And here's a picture of it. Now, I went ahead and sped this up. My whole point of this is note the tractor isn't skidding. So I think it was a successful project. Wouldn't you agree? Hey, have a great month, everybody. Thanks for your support, and I'll talk to you real soon. So long.